Welcome to Joe's RC Corner, and today we're going to continue working on the Lanier Stinger. Hi guys, welcome back. So yeah, we've already gotten a lot of the covering done here on the Lanier Stinger. We got the wing covered and the ailerons are covered. Elevator and the rudder are also covered. Now we just have to finish up the horizontal and the vertical. And once those are done, then we're going to start adding the trim colors to the tail and the fuselage. And then we'll start prepping the plastic hatch here and the cowl for paint. So stay with us, guys, and I'll see you at the end of the video with some great video from the flying field today. Hi guys, so welcome back, and today's the next day, and we just finished doing some work on the Lanier Stinger 40, and I wanted to show you what the final results are of the covering. He's pretty happy about how it came out, and I want you guys to also take a look at it and let me know what you think. So without further ado, let me turn the camera around and we can take a look. So here you go. As you can see, the aircraft is now fully covered. We still have to paint the cowl, which is right down over here. Needs to be covered or painted, and we're going to add that blue stripe on there once we get the engine remounted again. The wheel pants, we're going to get some ABS plastic wheel pants out of the kit. We're going to glue those together, fiberglass them, and then paint them white or maybe blue, not sure. And to match the color scheme. So right now it's pretty plain. We haven't gotten much other details on it yet, but we had to go through and we pinned all of the hinges, because the wood that they give you here for the hinges to go the trailing edge back here is pretty thin, and if you use CA you would go into the foam and eat the foam away. If you used and I used epoxy, 30-minute epoxy, which worked great on most of my airplanes, but for some reason it just didn't seem like it had enough bite there in that area, and they were pulling apart even after the 30-minute epoxy had cured. So we went ahead and pinned those. So what we used to pin these is toothpicks and some wood glue. So we just drilled the hole, put the toothpick in. Those are nice and strong now, won't ever come out, so not a problem there. Coming around to the front, one of the clips here that hold the canopy down, the center hatch down, broke, so we have another one coming in. that we're going to replace that with and make sure that fits nice and snug down on top of the wing. Then we'll paint that also white to match the wing, the white covering. Coming back down to the tail, we have the checkers on the rudder. You know me, I like my checkers on rudders. They look pretty good. So we went with that. Still have to glue these hinges in, but as you see, we mimic the wing color on there. We have the red on the tip, silver stripe, and then the blue. So I think that came out pretty nice. He's pretty happy with it. The bottom of the wing, as you can see, is checkers as well. We do have the servos mounted. We have the ball link on one end and clevis on the other, soldered on. So that's all good to go. We have the battery hatch there towards the back, and that's the hole for the ignition module right here. The cable will come out and to the engine cylinder. So she's getting close, guys. And looking pretty good. I'm pretty happy with how it's coming out, and so is David, in this sense, this is his airplane. And we also do have an unboxing coming up here. We're going to be unboxing a flight test Trent Palmer Freedom Fox. So make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to see that unboxing and first flight, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye now.